Do you want to take that old piece of worn out furniture in your home and make it look like new again, and you don't know how to get started? Well, make sure you stay tuned because we're getting started right now. All right, well, good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on the like of this video if you want to learn other woodworking DIY tips and tricks, and if you want to follow me and see the progression of some of the projects that I'm working on. So for today's video, I have a coffee table that we're going to be refinishing. It was in pretty sad shape, but we're going to see if we can't get it cleaned up and looking a whole lot better. So let me show you what I got here. So this is the coffee table here. Now the white residue that you're seeing on here, this is actually the stripper that I already put on here. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in it. So far, it's the first time I've used it, and it seems like it's working pretty good. So we'll go ahead and we'll take out the, we'll get all this stuff wiped off, get it scraped, and start sanding it, get it prepped for stain and paint. All right, so as you can probably tell, this is clearly not the same day that I started. This is actually my probably second or third day working on this project officially. What you didn't see off camera was the sanding that I did after I went and put the stripper on and got rid of all the varnish that was on top, got everything cleaned up. So I started off with a 60 grit sandpaper, went to an 80 grit, down to about a 120, and finished it off with a 220 grit. So now it's time for stain, and I think we're gonna go with a, well, let me just show you. This is the Kona stain. That's what my wife chose. I must say she's got good taste. I think the Kona is gonna be a nice addition, a nice complement to this table. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on that right now. But now the stain's dry, we can go ahead and put on the finish coat. I will be using shellac for this finish, and I'll put about maybe 3 to 4 applications on. Also doing a fine sanding in between each coat of shellac, just to make sure that I have a nice smooth surface that's free of any bumps or any imperfections or anything like that. And once it's all done, we'll give it a final polish, and we'll put the drawers back on and also the new knobs that I got. You're gonna wanna check those knobs out, they're pretty cool. So if you remember back to the beginning of the video, I told you I had some really nice handles for these drawers on the coffee table, and these are them. Yes, money, bling. I think it's gonna be a really nice addition. We're gonna go ahead and get these on the drawer fronts, and then from there we're gonna put the final polish on this table, and this project is done. right, so check it out. This thing is done. There's nothing left to do but to get it inside my house and put a drink on it and just sit back and relax. But best believe whoever puts a drink on this table will be using a coaster. So if you liked the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought of the project, if you want to see more like this. And also, if you want to see the progression of some of the other projects I'm working on, make sure you subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss a video. And once again, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you at the next video.